Hello friends, welcome to Macnotech YouTube channel. Friends, our today's topic is difference between accuracy and precision. So let us see what is the accuracy. So accuracy is the closeness of measured value with the true value. Now what is measured value and what is true value? Let me explain to you by this example. Suppose this is a circle and this is our targeted point. It is called the true value. And suppose I throw an arrow which is stuck over here, it is called the measured value, right? So this is a true value and this is a measured value. So here difference between these 2 points is called the error. Okay, now what is error? Error is a difference, okay, it is a difference between true value and the measured value is known as a error, right? So there are several factors which is affected for error, like material, operator skill, measuring tools, machines, environmental conditions, etc. Okay, so these are the factors. Okay, these are the factors because of this error may be possible. Okay, so hope you understand true value, measured value and error. Suppose error is more, then we can say it is a less accurate. Okay, here you can see this is the error is very less, so accuracy is good, we can say. But here the error is more, so it is called the less accurate, right? So there is always some error while the measurement. Okay, whatever we measure, there is always some error is present. So this is we are talking about the accuracy, right? Now precision. What is the precision? So it is defined as the repeatability. So in precision, this word is very important, repeatability, okay, of measuring device. So let me give you one more example with the same example. Suppose this is our targeted value, true value, and suppose the measured value is continuously in between this. Okay, so this is called this area is called the precision. Okay, so this is the precision, right? So precision has not any meaning for only one measurement, but it exists for the set of measurements. It means there are few readings we are taking over here and it is a set of measurement, right? So precision is a degree to which an instrument gives a repeated measurement, again and again, same thing over here, repeated measurement of same standard, right? Let me explain you by one more example. Suppose here you can see this is a true value, say, okay, this is a true value. If you consider with the dimension, this is the true value and your target is over here. Okay, so difference between true value and measured value, that is called the error, and here this line is the average value, right? So here this we can say it is a precise but not accurate. Okay, whatever we measured, it is continuously near of this line, so it is a precise but not accurate. Another example, that is true value is here, but if you measure it, measured in this manner, above and below, right? So this average value is over here, so we can say this is accurate. It means there are few, a few measurement, it is very near to the true value, so it is called the accurate but not a precise. Okay, so I hope you understand precise and accuracy. So precision is nothing but it is a set of measurement. Okay, and here suppose this is a true value and whatever the measured value is very near to the true value, so it is called the accurate and precise, right? So accurate and precise. So by this way we can understand the accuracy and precision. Okay, I hope you understand the difference between accuracy and precision. So if you like this video to your friends and subscribe this channel for more and more videos. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.